This video is for grade 7. It is number 7 in your multiple choice review package. So I had a request to go over this one. So in these questions, you're just supposed to be coming up with a chain of operations. So you do not have to actually solve. Well, sometimes you might have to solve in case they have more than one of the same calculation with a different answer. But it's asking you to figure out what the right calculation is based on what they're telling you. So here it says Ms. Valdez is baking cookies to bring in for her students. She has 5 classes of 22 students. So we have to know that that means the number of kids in the class is 5 times 22. Okay, we could calculate this and figure out that it's 110 students if you want to. But if you look in your options for your multiple choice here, they're not actually solving that. They just want you to be able to do the calculations based on like the number of students is 5 times 22. So she is giving each student 2 chocolate chip cookies. So the amount of chocolate chip cookies, that they have is 5 times 22 and then times 2 because they're each of these kids, which is 5 times 22, is getting 2 chocolate chip cookies. It says each student will also receive 3 sugar cookies. So they're also each getting, each of them, which is 5 times 22, is getting 3 sugar cookies. Okay? Then the last thing it says, in addition, she will bring 30 extra cookies just to be safe. So that's not 30 extra cookies per student. It's just an additional 30 cookies. Okay? And determine the total number of cookies that Ms. Valdez will need to bake. So we just have to write an expression to show our work for how to figure this out. So like I said, in this one, we don't actually have to do any calculations. We just, since they have different answers anyways, like this one here, B is saying 5 times 22 times 2, which was our chocolate chip. That's what we wrote down for chocolate chip. Plus 5 times 22 times 3, which is our sugar cookies. Plus 30. Okay, so here they did 5 times, it was the same kind of thing, but they did 5 times 30. There is actually just an extra 30 cookies to be safe. So B was our right answer here. This was our chocolate chip, this was our sugar cookies, and this was our 30 extra cookies. And that comes out to 580 cookies, but that was the only right calculation, so that's our right answer. You could do the calculations on the side if you want to make sure that it comes out to the correct answer, but it was the only one that had the right formula. So that's the chain of operations for figuring out how many cookies that she's bringing to school. I'll do number 8 also, and we did a video for number 6 yesterday. So these are all really similar questions, and people were struggling with them, but the point is to come up with a chain of operations for finding your answer.